The legend spoke of a boy. A boy that would be king. A boy betrothed only to destiny, to rule the kingdom of the Britons, and with a sword named Excalibur, pulled forth from the stone. This is his story. What's that? What is it, Arthur? Some kind of sword, Arthur. Can you pull it out?
Oh gosh.
Arthur. My lord, Arthur Maius Rex.
Make me a throne. What does that mean?
You are Arthur, King of the Britons. Yeah, okay, maybe not. Right, let's have a look. I think it's going to turn out to be quite a fun little project. So it was a massively heavy door that I've cut 4 panels out of. And yesterday I put it together, very structurally strong already, highly sturdy, highly heavy. So as you can see, I've cut this panel in. That took me a long time to decide what was going to go where, and I think I've just about got it right, and I'll explain why. So I've still got these hinges to get off, and I've also had to do it properly. I've got this little countersink drill bit that I've used on all these drill holes, which is here. Excellent bit of kit off Amazon, so like £8 for a couple of those. And then I've got a plug cutter as well. So let's have a look around here. I've done a few just to try it out yesterday, and I'll just take those off with a chisel, and you won't know they're there, which is pretty cool. I've got a lot to do though. All these plugs I've got to cut. So what else is left to do to it? For aesthetics rather than structure, I'm going to put a stretcher underneath there, like I did on the other bench build. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the. I'll link that now above. And then these, I think, will be rounded off somehow, although I'm not sure yet. I think it's just a touch too square as it is. That will have to be filled. That's where the old door lock went. And here, if I can show you properly, there at the back, there's a step. And I've done it so that this can sit over skirting board up against a wall. But I've got this sort of abrupt end there. So what I'm thinking of doing, maybe go down here with something. I don't know, come in like that or down in there. I suppose ideally it would come down and there'd be a nice little scroll there, but I have nowhere near the talent to do any of that, although I do have a Dremel there. So maybe one day. Yeah, so fill these bits in. That may come out, we may end up going something like that maybe. See how that turns out. So in the end, it should be a throne fit for a little king. What's it going to be? It's going to be black, and it's going to have little gold specks in it. So where I want the gold, I will spray it on first, metallic gold paint. Then I'll paint it black. Then I'll rub it back in places, and the gold and the wood should come through. Now, in the comments, tell me what sort of wood that is. In my basic knowledge of wood, I think it's yew. I think it's yew. Is that right? I can tell the basic woods, oak and pine and a nice burr walnut veneer. But I think that's yew. Tell me what you think. I'm probably wrong. Sire, would you like to come and see your throne?
Oh, yes.
God, here he comes. It's very exacting standards, this little emperor. Is it okay, sire?
I'm afraid not. Get some paint and gold leaves, you filthy animal.
Oh my goodness, we've got work to do. We've got work. I'm so sorry, sire. Right, okay, so now we've got it perfect. We need to get it so it looks like it's not perfect. And as you can see, I've started knocking it back. Just putting in wear in places that would naturally wear, so your sort of legs would hang over the edge and your arms would hang over the sides. I will knock the whole thing back and then concentrate on some areas like along the top there and that. So after I've distressed it a bit more, I'm then going to put some gold leaf on. And it will be in various places, so it will be in all these places. And then there'll be a big motif on the side and the other side to signify his royal magnificence. And I'll reveal all that at the end. Okay, I've knocked the whole thing back. There's that nice woodwork showing underneath where it would naturally have worn away over the years. It's lovely and smooth now. I've used a 240 grit and then a 600. That's wonderful. So the next thing is a good hoover, get all the dust off. And then there's a few places where I've gone through to the filler, so we just need to touch that back over. Hoover it, wipe it down, and go on to the next stage. Right, okay, the whole project has been building up to this, and now we are going to apply, with the help of my beautiful assistant, we're going to apply some gold leaf, aren't we? So this, we've got two clean brushes. One will to be used to apply what is called the gold sizing, which is an adhesive. And then the other one we will use to brush off any excess. So we should get on with this.
Yeah.
Cool. What you think, King Arthur?
Off with his head.
Excessive.